Okay, gonna do a video of a frame we put up last week. I just like to do videos on these higher dollar items so you can see it as a viewer in person. There is no rust on it whatsoever. This is mud. We got a little rain lately, so you can see it and hear it as well. Jeremy here, Jeeps Unlimited, 303-666-9020. Again, that's 303-666-9020. JKs are about the only thing we cut continuously frame wise. We usually don't cut YJs and TJs unless we get something in that's damaged in the front or rear, and then we cut those. So if you're seeing this and looking for a different year Jeep frame, it doesn't mean we don't have a section of a different year, but they are a little bit more rare. So this is a two-door. It came off of a 2011 Jeep Wrangler rear section. I believe the 4 doors and 2 doors are very similar as far as the rears go. This one had a blown motor, that's why we parted it out. That's why we do here. So, and it's in very good shape. So if you've been rear-ended, you've rolled your Jeep, you've tweaked your frame, somehow the back end or the one of the sides, and it's majority of this section of it is damaged, this would be a good frame for you. I did a good cut there on it for you. I think I plasma this one. So anyway, it's for the taking. I'll flip it over here and show you the underside of it. 303-666-9020, and then jeepsunlimited.net. You can view this frame on there as well as other frames. If you just go up to the search bar and type frames in, you should be able to pull all of our frames up or sections that we might have listed. And we'll go from there. These frames are a lot heavier than a TJ frame is. I can still do it one-handed, but it's just all dirt and stuff. So. But they are much heavier dual frames. So a lot of people are using these for projects right now. Because you can put a lot bigger motors in them and have another frame to show you the differences, but they're massively different. You can take a look at other of my videos. The other frames weigh about 150 pounds. This frame full is like a 200-300 pound frame, but maybe more. I'm not exactly sure. So anyway, that's it. I'm going to stop the video. Again, questions, comments, concerns, 303-666-9020, and let me know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot. Bye.